are watching IndiaNewsTamil.com.
Women empowerment. We think women empowerment is something new. It's a new topic. No, it's not new. It's there with us right from the beginning. Like today, I'm just going to share something about women empowerment with Navaratri, through Navaratri. Navaratri, the tradition, it differs all across India, but the best part of it is all this preaches the same lesson, that is women empowerment. In India, we all know we have multiple cultures, traditions and festivals. One such festival that runs in the veins of everyone is Navaratri. Navaratri, that is Navaratri, 9 nights. In South India, we have Golu, the Bomma Golu, where we just decorate all dolls in steps for 9 days, and we worship the Shakti, that is Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati. For the first 3 days, we worship Durga, and the next 3 days, we worship Lakshmi, and the next 3 days, we worship Saraswati. Durga, which gives us the power, the goddess of power, and Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom. And this all three things are something very much necessary for every individual. And we worship. So this shows the presence of women and in everyone's life, women empowerment. We also have Haldi Kumkum in Maharashtra. And in this, both Haldi Kumkum and in this South India, we have this Golu festival. We invite the women, invite the neighboring women, and they give tambulam or exchange gifts. This is to show that every woman is a friend of another woman. In Gujarat, we have Garba. Garba is a dance, the culture, Dandiya and Garba, where people come, they just dance around. It shows the coordination, and it tells the women they come out, they are together, and it says, let us raise together, every woman, let's join hands and grow together. In Bengal, we have Durga Puja. In Assam and Bengal, we have Durga Puja, which shows like the goddess Durga is the massive idol of Durga is there, and it stands there in the pandal, and it shows like how majestically to take off the evil away, to kill the evil, to win over the evil, and without any fear she stands all alone there in the pandal. It shows don't fear, just raise up, stay and just voice out whatever problems you have. That is there, the significance of Durga. And when it comes to northern India, we have Mahashtami Puja, or maybe it is also there in Navami, where all these young girls are worshipped. On this day, people touch their feet and take their blessings. It shows that the Shakti is there in every woman, and the Shakti is there it's the need, and it can just make or break anyone. And even in the northern side, we have Dashera, where Ravan is killed on this day. His this idol is made, and it is just killed. And it is said again, to win over the evil. The evil is destroyed. And even though Ram has just killed Ravana, but Ram gets this power only by worshipping the Devi, the Durga. And the 9 days, it is said that Navaratri, this is the 9 days where Mahishasuran was just killed by Durga, goddess Durga. And goddess Durga got the pure power from the Tridev, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. And Durga, on this day, she just had all these weapons in her physical 10 hands, and she just fought over. And it said, women empowerment. Durga stands alone, majestically, and every woman is capable of having her own identity. This is what the Durga Puja tells us. So let us all have our own identity. Let us voice out, and we encourage and we join hands with other women, and let's endeavor together. Let us fight for our own self and also voice out if something happens, and let us grow in the real self. Women is the best friend of another woman. Let us all endeavor on this day. Let us take this as a symbolic message, and let us teach this mannerism to respect females in all forms of life. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to IndiaNewsTamil.com.